How to turn off comments on your video after you posted the video. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off comments on your video on TikTok after posting. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app. Now go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, choose the video you want to turn the comments on. When you choose the video, click on those 3 points and scroll over this list, and you're gonna find privacy settings. Click on it, and here you can turn off allow comments to turn off comments on your video, or turn on wherever you want. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.